What kind of crazy are you?
I can't be too loud today because it's middle of the night and I can't sleep because I've got a bad conscience. Why have I got a bad conscience, you ask? Well, it's been so long since I gave you the last update. And, yeah, I've been, I've got two excuses really. One, my phone is fucked. It's dead, it completely died on me. And the other one is I've been so busy with some great movers and we've been building walls.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you?
Making waterways.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Now you know you're crazy. Well, what you gonna do?
First, let me introduce you to some of the movers that have been here. Some of them don't want to be on YouTube and some of them don't want to say anything, but I've got two of them definitely are all for talking. But let me show you some of them. Right.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Say hello!
What you gonna do?
Now introduce yourself to everyone.
Hi, I'm Maceo. I'm from Minnesota.
What kind of crazy are you?
Hey everyone, my name's Nelson from the US and I'm here for the week helping out Colin and Claudia on the farm.
Aber ich habe da zwei Zauberer
What kind of crazy are you?
Ich will das so super machen.
Oh yeah.
I'm doing so much different things.
What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you? You could get all wonky, acting like a monkey. Just gotta keep it funky. You might come up with something new.
You know what I mean? Great movers. Kate, she really likes to do water. She doesn't like to talk and she doesn't like to be on YouTube. She's alright. Be in the background, but I made loads of ponds with her, and she's here for a month, and she's here for another couple of weeks. Luckily, we're lucky. She's here until way into September. And then Maceo, he's already gone. He was great though. He worked his socks off. Really did his best and worked hard.
Yeah, Maceo and I, we just got back of Tour de Drieschta. We saw everything, didn't we? What do you think?
It was crazy. It was so beautiful. The sun streaming down, the view of the mountains, incredible. All the stinging nettle grabbing my arms.
And I see you've got some souvenirs with you there.
Oh
Yeah,
quite a few.
quite a few souvenirs there. What are you on
Brushed
it?
a lot off.
Yeah, so
A lot came off when we were sliding through the cave too. So
yeah, Maceo's cave we found. Yeah, you got your own cave now. Yeah.
we found a cave and we went on through it. So I've left my mark on the land.
Hey!
And I'll live forever.
And Nelson's here right now this week. Powerhouse.
And I can tell you guys, it's great having a Hercules here. They're lifting stones at the moment for the wall over there.
And the two Czech stars didn't stay as long as we expected them to stay, or they said they would stay, but we enjoyed them while they were here. And with them, I got the water running as well. Yeah, so it's water and walls, but here's more of it.
If you're feeling idle, maybe you and I could ride a unicycle while playing a kazoo. Hit it. Well, if you've got odd behavior, then do yourself a favor. Just love your crazy flavor, let it all shine through. Don't let the straight and formal fool you that they are normal, because you know that they are all just crazy like you. Yeah, yo, I was crazy as a baby and I never changed. Some people hide their crazy, I put mine on center stage. They used to scream, yo, you're making a scene, stop that. And now I rock hip hop in a purple top hat. And they still screaming, now they scream, oh yeah. I hope I rock a show in Oz and you're all there. I'm a secret agent, acting normal is my alias, but I'm the craziest, far out like aliens. What kind of crazy are you?
And all the stones we're using, taking for the wall, are from here, from the Schwitzhusli. This is an old ruin, and it feels a bit like Indiana Jones work here. A bit of archaeology. And we've just got to a new, we're not sure if this is an old wall, and this is a wall or a ceiling, if it's going down deeper there, or if that's just the entrance, the door, because there's definitely a wall over there. And this seems to be just dirt and hollow. So yeah, it's exciting. It's warm, and he's not even sweating. He's not even sweating. Look at that.
Oh, I'm hot.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Right, we've got a load of stone here now, Nelson. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to build a wall. Have you ever built a wall?
Never built a wall.
All right. So what we're going to do, because you're the only one that's going to be building on this wall with me so far,
Okay.
we're going to call it Nelson's Wall.
Oh,
It's not Adrian's Wall. It's not Adrian's Wall, and we're not in Scotland. We're in Switzerland, and this is now, from now on, we're going to call this Nelson's Wall.
Wow,
right?
I'm honored.
Right?
I'm honored.
So, but you're going to put your back into it. I'm telling you.
Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for forgiving me for being so late, yeah? I'm gonna go back to bed now. Time for me to have a sleep. Because it really is the middle of the night. Night home.